give the model fruitful for next future collaboration. Today we have three main agenda. The first is speech for Pak Benny, Dr. Andes Bunyamin, MMBSI. He is our president of STI Maluku Suara. The secondly is speech coming from Dr. Yongin Yu, and the third is signing the MOU. And then after that we have a discussion about the future of collaboration. Alhamdulillah hari ini kita STI Maluku Suara kedatangan tamu dari Institute of Science, Innovation and Culture ISIC Thailand, yang mana itu adalah perguruan tinggi di mana mahasiswa dari STI Maluku Suara ada 6 mahasiswa kuliah di sana karena mendapatkan hibah internasional kredit transfer yang disediakan oleh Kemendikbud.
Profesor Dharani, Profesor Yudi, Profesor Ada, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Om Swastiastu. First of all, we must thank God because for His blessing we gathered together here in a very healthy condition and full spirit. Secondly, I'd like to thank you for visiting our campus far away from Thailand to the small city like us. You know, we feel flattered and honored. I heard from her that you, in terms of scale, your university is probably larger than us. I just want to briefly introduce my institution here. The name Malang Kusiswara as well is a motto of Malang, as I said at the beginning. It means that the ignorance or foolishness can only be minimized by education. Wow. So this is the motto of Malang City. So we adopted the motto as the name of the university.
Baik, ini sebetulnya bermula dari mahasiswa kita kan gitu ya, datang ke Raja Mangala University di ISIC ya, dengan dana hibah international credit transfer. Nah, mereka bisa datang ke sana, tentu kita ada MOU pada awalnya yang penandatangannya baru hari ini kan gitu ya. Tetapi pada prinsipnya kerjasama itu kan tidak harus dimulai dari penandatanganan MOU lalu setelah itu nggak ada aktivitas kan gitu. Tapi untuk negara-negara Asia seperti Thailand, Jepang itu biasanya mereka menghendaki ada aktivitas lalu kita MOU, sehingga MOU yang kita dapatkan itu tidak sleeping MOU. Nah, selama ini masih pada student exchange kan gitu. Tapi ke depan kita memang harus perluas skup kerjasama ini. Nah, mengapa? Karena kita sekarang pada era AI, Artificial Intelligence, tantangan perguruan tinggi, khususnya Tridharma, itu lebih kompleks yang tidak pernah kita alami sebelumnya kan begitu. Nah, tantangan ini harus kita terjemahkan ke dalam bentuk tugas Tridharma perguruan tinggi tadi. Apakah itu bersifat policy di masing-masing, kemudian bagaimana dengan pembelajaran, yang kalau kita melihat fakta bahwa mahasiswa kita itu sudah banyak menggunakan artificial intelligence, maka kita perlu merevise policy, perlu merevise cara-cara pembelajaran, merevise kurikulum sehingga match dengan era ke depan, yaitu era artificial intelligence. Begitu juga penelitian yang saat ini dituntut oleh pemerintah untuk bisa melakukan hilirisasi, maka di era AI kita perlu kerjasama karena AI ini naturally sifatnya connected, terkoneksi dengan negara-negara lain yang menemukan terlebih dahulu, kemudian menyangkut berbagai macam bidang juga. Tidak ada satu disiplin yang ansih kita dapati produk-produk AI itu. Ya, kita lihat misalnya di bidang kesehatan itu kan kolaborasi antara dua bidang, antara teknologi informasi dan komunikasi, juga di bidang medis. Bagaimana rekam radiologi atau rekaman radiologi itu bisa dibaca oleh mesin dan mendeteksi berbagai macam diagnosa atau membuat diagnosa berdasarkan mesin tadi, kan begitu, pakai AI atau aplikasi AI tadi. Di bidang penelitian juga begitu. Saya kira mahasiswa sekarang mereview 10 jurnal satu malam itu sangat mudah dengan AI itu. Misalnya ada aplikasi Humata misalnya, dan aplikasi-aplikasi yang lain yang bisa memberikan summary. Mereka juga pandai memparaphrase menggunakan Perplexity misalnya, atau yang lain-lain, Grammarly misalnya. Itu kan semua produk daripada AI yang harus kita respon di dalam pembelajaran. Begitu juga penelitian, dan saya kira community service, pengabdian masyarakat itu juga harus menyentuh AI kalau kita tidak ingin ketinggalan. Jadi kita juga akan perluas sampai ke sana, sehingga mahasiswa mereka tahu culture kita dan mahasiswa kita tahu culture mereka. Saya kira mutual understanding terutama di bidang budaya ini penting, karena ini mengurangi barrier-barrier yang ada terutama dalam rangka international negotiation.
Our stupidity and foolishment by knowledge through education. And from Quran, from the Islamic philosophy, knowledge always is one of the top priority for our personal growth and for our career development. For the coming collaboration between our two universities or institutes, I would like to go a little bit beyond the students' exchange. Okay.
MOU also, sir.
Okay.
Okay, hold it.
Hold it.
Yeah.
That's it.
And banking. Banking as well. So
It's
you have
quite
full
interesting.
concentration in the management study program. So
Your Excellency, do you, for the BA undergraduate students, do you offer the dormitory available? Selected a pure tutor.
When they have some outings from
The
locals,
So it's quite attached, you know. So at the end of the program, they cry at each other, you know, they're happy, and things.
Yes.
First, we would like to come to pay our respectful visit to the President, His Excellency and the President of this nice university. We also would like to come to visit and his team, and also wanted to brief and report today how the life of the six exchange students at our institute, the Rajamangala Technical Kunte in Bangkok. I would like to confidently to tell they are living have a very happy life there, and they feel safe, feel at home there. And I would also, my visit also would like to extend my thanks for this nice university's trust on us and in person, not just by a phone call or by a Zoom or video, meeting. And we just have a very constructive discussion on with His Excellency the President of this nice university. We are going to extend our collaboration not only for the students exchange, but also for the academic collaboration, for the community service. We both agree we are going to initiate some academic activities such as industrial visit, and to make the students and our faculty member catch up the latest development of the industry. Thank you. The environment, the searching, and also the hospitality of His Excellency of the President and his team. And we also learned a lot the background about the Malan. We know
Malang.
Malan. This is
You better say Malang.
Malan.
Because Malang is thief, you know.
Okay. Malan. Okay, so sorry. Forgive my pronunciation. We know this is a city, beautiful city, come with a long history, long and rich history. We know the Malan, the city itself tells us education is most important in our personal and life and career growth and development. Thank you.